Okay, so we're gonna be doing the waterfall braid today. So first what you need to do is part her hair like this. So we want to make sure that it's even. So we're going to be getting an elastic. Wash your hair band. And we're going to be tying this hair. Make sure you're very careful with these because they're going to break easily. So just secure it a little bit and put it at the front. Can you hold this? Thank you. Back up a little bit again. And now we're going to grab this part right here. Right here. And just, like I said, make sure that it's even. So now we're going to grab another elastic hair band and tie this part of your hair to help it. 30 off. 30. This time we're going to secure it 3 times. So you just get that. So while you get that, so, okay, so now you get the top part, get your top part right here, and then you get your bottom part. But first you need to split your bottom part in half. So can you hold this for me? And then you're going to get your top part, put it in the middle. Now, I'm going to put that over, hold both of it. Yeah, like that. And then you're going to get this under piece right here. One last part right here. So make sure it's tight like that, and you're going to get another elastic band. So as you can see closer, right here, you're going to be tying it right there. Now you're going to put that under that. Hold this. And then, so you have that down here. Right here. So now, you bring that part back up that you just held. And you're going to be tying it right here. So as you can see, it creates a little braid right there.
You called my judge.
He can say what he wants, but that's what I said.
No, because he said.
No, he doesn't get.
Now you take 2 pieces from here, and then since I got the pieces again, I take it and I split it in half, and I put it on top of the piece that we already have, and then like here, and then we're going to be tying it. So now we're just going to take some out to make now we're gonna start repeating that.
You were on that side. I did it right to you guys.
I mean, it's like my first time learning this
yeah,
hairstyle, so
I
like
see.
it's pretty good for first time.
Why we talking?
No, we're just time lapsing on this part. So now you get that.
Do it on top.
So now you split that part in half, and this part.
I don't know. You didn't brush your hair really goodly.
Ow, 30 off. That was like a blessing.
Sorry. So now
Thing
you
was
get that. You're gonna get
I was lost.
ones
I was
here.
lifted.
You're gonna
Hey, I need my
tie
hair
it
done.
right here. Gonna make it look like the other
Yeah,
side.
stop saying it looks right and then do it.
So you're gonna get
Oh, I want to do it.
Actually, looks like you invent a new one.
they're gonna be like, wow, that's so cool.
That's like a new invention.
Right now, mine looks like.
Uh-huh.
Oh, is mine tighter?
Yeah, yours is way tight.
I'm doing her loose.
Looks like you have no hair when you put. If you put your hair on the behind you, looks like you don't have
But I
any.
have a really sensitive scalp, so it like bothers me.
Okay, so now you're gonna.
Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful!
Okay, so now
I mean, don't touch your hair.
take this bottom.
Gosh, that's too much hair tie for him to take it off.
Why did she choose that? Now we're gonna tie it here. Once you get to the bottom, you can just do a regular braid like I'm gonna be doing now.
30
But then yours doesn't go in, you know, it went out. Okay. It does.
Oh, I'm gonna do the I'm
Just
gonna do a
do
little
it.
bit of Dutch braid. I'm gonna do a Dutch braid because it's gonna match this more.
40
It's not a Dutch braid though, that one.
So it looks like it's gonna match it more. You know how the
Try-
Dutch
do
braid
it
comes
tighter.
out? It actually looks really cool.
I know.
It's just so cool. Like I feel like I invented something new. So this is gonna be what it looks like once you're at the end. So at the end you want to just do a regular braid or
And then
anything you
pull
want. Anything you want to just spice it up a bit. Okay, so now we're gonna be tying it. Thank you. And so make sure everything is secure and all that. So I'm gonna bring some of it out since I brought most things.
30
Yeah.
low.
Like David, if I hit, I'll be like, dude, like my heart, like.
40
You didn't play any of this.
So now this is the final look.
Oh, she looks like.
Here's what it looks like. And that is the finished look. Bye, have a great day.